Hello everyone, we are going to see about MVC architecture. MVC stands for Model View Controller. It is a software architectural pattern commonly used in web development to separate the concern of an application into three interconnected components. Model. The model represents the data and business logic of the application. It encapsulates the application's data and the behavior such as data validation, manipulation, and storage. In AngularJS, the model often consists of JavaScript objects or array that holds the application's data. View. The view represents the user interface UI of the application. It is responsible for presenting the data to the user and handling user interactions such as clicking button or entering text into input fields. In web development, the view is typically implemented using HTML, CSS, and sometimes JavaScript for dynamic behavior. In AngularJS, views are defined using HTML templates enhanced with AngularJS directives and expression. Controller. The controller acts as an intermediate between model and the view. It processes user input, updates the model as necessary, and updates the view to reflect any changes in the model. Controller in AngularJS are JavaScript functions that are responsible for defining the behavior of a particular view or a group of views. They are bound to the HTML via Angular directories. How MVC works in Angular. In Angular, MVC architecture is implemented as follows. Model. In AngularJS, the model is typically represented by JavaScript objects or arrays that are defined within the application JavaScript code. These objects hold the application data and business logics. For example, if you are building a to-do list application, the model might consist of an array of to-do items. View in AngularJS are defined using HTML templates that are enhanced with AngularJS directories and expression. Directives such as ng repeat, ng model, and ng click allow you to bind data from the model to the view and handle user interaction. For example, you can use ng repeat to iterate over an array of to-do items and display them in the list. Controllers in AngularJS are JavaScript functions that are responsible for defining the behavior of a particular view or a group of views. They are bound to the HTML via AngularJS directories. Controllers interact with the model to retrieve and update data, and they update the view to reflect any changes in the model. For example, a controller for a to-do list application might define functions for adding, editing, and deleting to-do items. Advantages of MVC architecture. Separation of concerns. MVC separates the concerns of application into three distinct components and making it easier to manage and maintain the code base. Modularity. MVC promotes code modularity by organizing the application into smaller reusable components. Testability. MVC make it easier to test individual component of an application in isolation, leading to better overall test coverage and code quality. Scalability. MVC allows for the scalability of an application by breaking it down into smaller, more manageable pieces that can be developed, tested, and deployed independently. Overall, MVC architecture is an AngularJS helps developers build well-structured, maintainable, and scalable web application by separating the concerns of application into three interconnected components: model, view, and controller. Thank you.